We will see now further the conversation between the children and grandpa. Sujal is asking, what is its importance? That means the importance of national flag. Grandpa is explaining to the children, the national flag is a symbol of nation. Every nation has a flag. A national flag is the symbol of unity, honor, and freedom. Both public and private buildings, such as schools and courts, may host the national flag. So, what is the national flag symbol? It is the symbol of nation. So, a national flag is the symbol of unity, honor, and freedom. As India is a free country, independent country, India has a national flag, and so we must be proud of it. And on Independence Day, public and private buildings they host the national flag. Alpa. Our class teacher told us the history of the national flag. Yesterday he informed us about the national flag. Sujal. Please tell me about it. Alpa. He told us about its three horizontal color bands of equal size. Grandpa. Yes, Alpa, you are absolutely right. Do you know about the colors and their meaning? Sujal. I know the topmost saffron band stands for courage and sacrifice. Grandpa. Right. The bottom green band stands for life and prosperity. While the white band in the center stands for truth and purity. So, children, in the national flag, you know three bands are there, horizontal bands. On the top is the saffron color, which stands for courage and sacrifice. And on the bottom, green color is there, which stands for life and prosperity. While the white band in the center, so in the middle is the white band. It stands for truth and purity. Alpa. In the center of the white band is the blue Dharma Chakra, that is the wheel of law. Sujal, what does it stand for? Grandpa. Dear, the wheel is the symbol of progress. It is the pride of our nation. Do you know certain rules must be followed whenever the national flag is hosted? Now, see, again I will repeat that our national flag has three horizontal bands. All the three colors stand for peace, purity, and power. So, the saffron color, as here it is written, stands for courage and sacrifice. So, all the three colors, the green stands for life and prosperity, and the white in the center stands for truth and peace also, and honesty and purity. Now, what is there in the center of the white band? It is the Dharma Chakra that was of King Ashoka. The wheel of law it is called. What does it stand for? Grandpa says it stands, the wheel is the symbol of progress. It is the pride of our nation. It also symbolizes justice, peace, and spirituality. And one more thing, that chakra is of dark blue in color and has 24 spokes. Now, certain rules are there. Alpa, what are they? Will you please tell us? Now, Grandpa says, while hosting the national flag, we must stand at attention and salute it. Moreover, it should be preserved carefully and a torn flag should not be hoisted. So, we should give respect to our national flag. That's why we should stand in at attention and salute it. And why a torn flag is not to be hoisted? Because we should give respect to our national flag. That's why it should not be hoisted if the flag is torn. Sujal, thank you, grandfather. We will remember this forever. Grandpa, we have a national bird, an animal, a flower, and a fruit. Do we have a national food? Now, children, we did the essay on national bird. You know who is the national animal, a national flower, a national fruit? I think you know. If you don't, then find out. Now, Sujal is asking one more thing. Do we have a national food? Alpa says, I think khichdi. Grandpa, ha ha ha. Now prepare it. So now prepare the national food. Grandpa is making fun. So this was the conversation, the importance, the some information about the our national flag. So we must know it, as the national flag is the symbol of our glory. We should respect, love, and honor our national flag. So, children, read whatever is done so that you will understand more clearly. For that, you have to read this lesson. Further activities are there that we will see next time. Thank you.